Top 5 most delicious apple trees. Number 5. The Empire apple tree is worth all of the hype that it receives. These are easy to grow, easy to care for, and especially easy to eat. These Empire trees have the best characteristics, which have been delighting generations of backyard gardeners. Getting an Empire apple tree from Nature Hills is an investment into your family's healthy future. Some of the benefits of this tree are the crimson red skin and dove white flesh that makes an apple so desirable. These grow well in zones 4 to 9, will be about 12 to 15 feet tall, and thrive in full sun. Number 4. The Fuji Apple Tree delivers a spectacular spring display and an outstanding fall harvest. One of these would look incredible in your yard as an ornamental focal point, or plant several as a small orchard on the sunny side of your home. In the spring, delicate white blooms display themselves brilliantly. The scent that these bring is next to none. The flavor of the Fuji apple is prized and is one of the most popular apples in the United States. These grow well in zone 6 to 9, will be about 15 to 20 feet tall, and thrive in full sun. Number 3. The Gala apple tree produces a delicious snacking apple, which is becoming a favorite in grocery stores across the country. It's an attractive flowering tree which has irresistible fruit. These trees burst to life in spring, opening the beautiful pink buds, which slowly turn to a snowy white color. The fruit is firm and juicy and sweet with a slight tart flavor. You can start harvesting your apples as early as August and continue through the fall. These grow well in zones 4 to 10, will grow to be about 15 to 20 feet tall, and thrive in full sun. Number 2. The Honeycrisp apple tree is one of the best-selling apples on the market. The thought of biting into one of these sweet and tangy apples is probably making your mouth water right now. Now imagine how that apple would taste fresh from your own tree. The apples have a yellow base with a red blush, which ripen in September. The low canopy on these trees make them ideal for planting under power lines or in other such troublesome locations. These grow well in zones 3 to 8, will grow to be about 15 to 20 feet tall, and thrive in full sun. Number 1. The McIntosh apple tree is not only a lovely tree, but it provides the most delicious apples early in the season. One of these would look enticing anywhere in your landscape where you're able to watch the daily developing of your stunning red apple harvest. The apples have vivid scarlet skin, thin and smooth, which packs a crunch when bitten into. These are both juicy and tart, prized for a variety of culinary uses. These trees are also sure to impress the neighbors, creating a spring infusion of delicate apple blossoms in mid-April. Each tree is cold hardy and requires little care from you. Order one today from naturehills.com. These grow well in zones 4 to 7, will grow to be about 15 to 20 feet tall, and thrive in full sun.